an angel that flies from Montgomery. Make me a poster of an old rodeo. Just give me one thing that I can hold on to believe in this living. It's just a hard way to go. Hi, I am Lisa, the ukulele fool, foolishly believing that men can sing this song too. I mean, listen to John Prine sing it, it's awesome. Hey, this is a request from Phyllis on her comments on YouTube. She's left me lots of comments and it's been nice to chronicle her ukulele journey through her comments and see how she's growing. Leave me a comment. How's your ukulele journey going? You only need the basic chords in order to do this song. I'm going to show you your strumming options because you have more than one. I'm also going to show you how to make some smooth chord transitions by using your strumming and chording hand together. I will show you the choices that I would make for performing this song, and I've got a singing tip and a history nerd section, and of course play along at the end. Each chord symbol in the play along and in the chord chart gets 4 beats. So that means you could island strum this entire song through and everything would be just dandy. So if that's your jam, go for it. I would suggest a strum that isn't as syncopated. It's not got all the upbeat things happening that the island strum does. Easiest strum to do would be a slow 2-beat strum. On a D, the strum goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, down, down, up, down, down, up. And particularly on the chorus, you know what I would do is use my thumb on that verse down. Make me an angel that flies from Montgomery. With your thumb, you have a little bit more control, and so you get more of each string ringing out separately, an arpeggio. So that gives a little bit more of a harpy effect. Here's a faster strumming option, right? It's got more activity in it. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and. So here's my tip for using your combination of strumming and chording to make the G to D transition easier, because you're going to have to go from G to D all the time in this. So when you're playing the G chord, your up strum becomes an A minor 7. And I talk about this hack all the time. A minor 7 is your friend. So doing this last strum, you would go down, 2, 3, down, up, down, 2, 3, down, up, G, down, down, up. By putting an A minor 7, it gives your fingers a bit more time to shift. You're lifting off of the one chord shape and hovering them over your next chord shape so they're ready to put down when you do that first down strum of the pattern. The other thing is it sounds really cool. So as promised, I'm going to show you my strumming choices that I'm going to take. I'm going to take the ends of phrases like this one, and I'm going to change what I do on the A. I am simply going to follow the rhythm of the words with down strums. So, child that's grown, 1, 2, 3. I'm not even worried about what rhythm I'm playing, I'm just going to follow my mouth. Child that's grown old. And on the D, because it's the end of a phrase, we only have one word to sing on it, I'm going to make my strum very active. I'm not going to do it very loud, I'm going to keep it really light. So down, 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 down. Just keeping it nice and light, just to fill in that space when we're not singing. So on the verses, I'm going to be using the down, 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 up, down, 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 up, and then the changes on the A and D for the single down strums and the bouncy strum on the D. Grab your ukulele. Let's take out all those lyrics, those beautiful lyrics, and just practice the chords and the strumming together. 1, 2, ready, begin. Down, down, up, G. Down, down, up, D. Down, down, up, G. Down, down, up, D. Down, down, change up my strum when I do the chorus. I'm going to go for the slower version, and I'm going to use my thumb and just down, down, up, C, down. Let's do that with no lyrics in a slow practice. Again, if the D is in gray, it's down, down, up, down, up, down, up, and the last A, 1, 2, 3, D. It's okay. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, begin. D, down, up, C, down, up, G, down, up, D, down, D, down, up, C, down, up, G, down, up, D, down, up, down, up, down, up, D, down, up, C, down, up, G, down, up, D, down, up, down, up, down, up, D, down, up, G, down, up, A, D, down, up, down, up, down, up. I know from experience that nobody is going to be listening to my singing because I'm a fabulous singer. I'm an adequate singer. And so they're going to listen to you if you're telling a story. And John Prine does that so very well. Listen to his performance, and he is cutting everything off short. So what do I mean? So instead of holding out Montgomery, flies from Montgomery, he's not holding it out like that. He's just flies from Montgomery. He gets off of it. Because generally when we talk, we don't hold our words out unless we really want to emphasize it. Additionally, he is not stringing his words together like a singer. He's talking it a bit more. I'll give you a singing example. I am an old woman named after my mother. I'll give you a John Prine adaptation. I am an old woman named after my mother. Hear the difference? Not trying to sing the words together, just I am an old woman, and get off of it. Named after my mother. So it's a lot more emphasis on the consonants in between, not holding on to the vowel sounds, and just get off those words. That's my best singing advice that I can give you for this song. Well, I hope you appreciate the visual cues that I give in my chord charts when I'm doing a play along, so much so that you would want to become a patron and support this channel. It starts at $3 a month. You can cancel anytime, and there's a 7-day free trial as well. You can check it out, see if it's for you. So I have over 250 chord charts available to you, and I do 2 live Zoom sessions a month where we get together and jam, and you can ask questions. Come and join me. I really would love to have you on Patreon. John Prine is considered by other musicians as one of the greatest songwriters of our generation. So what's our generation? I'm in my 60s, so maybe that gives you a feel for what that generation is. End of the boomers, would that be? This song is just got some amazing things in it for a song written in 1971. First of all, it's a man writing from a woman's perspective. And I know as a ukulele player, how many times do I sing songs where as a woman I have to do it from a man's perspective, but it doesn't happen the other way around very often. And he performs this song, so it's, yeah, he made it work. So he has just some beautiful turns of words and phrases. You've broken the speed of the sound of loneliness. Naked as the eyes of a clown. Ain't it funny how an old broken bottle looks just like a diamond ring? And of course, in this song, make me a poster of an old rodeo. How does he do it? I don't know. Well, sadly, John Prine is no longer with us anymore. For me, it was the first well-known name that I knew that passed as a result of COVID. He survived 2 rounds of cancer and then sadly succumbed to COVID in 2020, April 7th of 2020. So we mourn the loss of John Prine. I hope you enjoy singing more of his songs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you haven't already. And thanks to all my subscribers, I'm trying to reach 50,000 subscribers. Can you help me? That's your starting pitch. 1, 2, here we go. I am an old woman named after my mother. My old man's another child that's gone on. If dreams were thunder and lightning was desire, this old house I burnt down a long time ago. Make me an angel that flies from Montgomery. Make me a poster of an old rodeo. Just give me one thing that I can hold on to. To believe in this living is just a hard way to go. When I was a young girl, I had me a cowboy. Wasn't much to look at, just a free rambling man. But that was a long time, and no matter how I tried, those years just flew by like a broken down dam. Make me an angel that flies from Montgomery. Make me a poster of an old rodeo. Just give me one thing I can hold on to. To believe in this living is just a hard way to go. There's flies in the kitchen, I can hear all their buzzing. And I ain't done nothing since I woke up today. But how can hell one person go to work in the morning, come home in the evening and have nothing to say? Make me an angel that flies from Montgomery. Make me a poster of an old rodeo. Just give me one thing that I can hold on to. To believe in this living is just a hard way to go. To believe in this living is just a hard way to go. Oh, I just realized as I was singing that, my grandmother was named Elizabeth. My mother was named Elizabeth and she went by Betty. I was given the name Lisa, but Lisa is a nickname for Elizabeth, so maybe I was named after my mother too. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope this helped you on your ukulele journey. I want to thank all my patrons because I could not do this without your support. Thanks for watching to the very end. YouTube should be suggesting something for you. And if you have some suggestions, leave it in the comment. All right, I'll see you in the next video.